Hey guys, it's Pauline. So my Everyday Explorers monthly kit came in, so I thought we would take a look at it together. All right, so there we go. I like those little glassine bags, but they make so much noise, don't they? All right, so we got our regular cut apart. All right, and then this month is currently. I think I like the color scheme. Really cute. All right, let's see what this cut apart looks like. That's neat. Put that back in there. All right, so this is what the stamp set looks like. I like it. I usually like some kind of graphic, but I like it. And then this is the washi tape. I like that one. Not that crazy about these two. Okay. Then let's see what our stickers look like. Alright, so these are the clear stickers. They look cute. And we got the paperback stickers. Not my fave. This one either. It's okay. And we got sentiments. Nice. We got alphas. Oh, and then we got little mini checks. I like this. Oh, that's cute. All right. So, not bad. This kit is not bad. All right. So that's what we got. All right. What do y'all think? It's neat. It's not bad. All right. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.